Walmart is hiring for 2 remote jobs right now. No degree, no experience, and fully work from home. And I've got all the details, including how much they pay and how to apply. Welcome back to Remote Hustle Europe. If you're new here, we find real remote jobs that don't need fancy degrees or years of experience. Today, we're looking at 2 flexible roles from Walmart that are perfect for beginners. Let's start with the first job, Remote Data Entry Clerk. This role is listed through Walmart's hiring partner, and it's designed for people with little to no experience. So yes, even if you've never worked an office job before, this could be your entry point. Here's what you'll be doing: entering and updating data into Walmart's internal systems and databases, making sure everything is accurate, timely, and organized, and occasionally collaborating with the team to maintain data quality. Data entry might not sound exciting, but for a beginner, it's golden. There are no phone calls, no pressure, and you can usually work independently with minimal distractions. If you're looking for a stress-free way to break into remote work, this is one of the easiest ways to start. What do you need? A high school diploma or equivalent, basic computer and typing skills, good written communication, and most importantly, attention to detail. One thing I like about this role is how low pressure it is. You'll be given clear instructions, and you can go at your own pace, which is perfect if you're balancing other responsibilities like school or family. The benefits include a flexible work schedule, working from home, room to grow in the Walmart system, and competitive pay. Here's a quick tip. Take a free typing test online and include your typing speed in your resume. It might seem small, but it shows initiative and helps you stand out from the crowd. Now, onto the second role, part-time remote associate. This one's even more flexible and ideal if you're looking for a side hustle or something that fits around school or another job. You'll be doing things like online data entry, helping update orders and product details, supporting Walmart's customer service tools, and chatting with customers or team leads through email or online platforms. Here's why I think this one's great. It gives you exposure to more than just typing. You'll learn how to handle basic support tools, work with digital systems, and interact professionally with a team. It's great experience if you want to build a remote career over time. For requirements, they're pretty relaxed. A high school diploma is preferred, but not required. Basic computer and typing skills, decent communication, and the ability to work remotely without supervision are all you need. Walmart even provides full training, so you don't need to worry about messing up in your first week. And here's the kicker. Depending on the role and department, pay can go up to $30 an hour. That's impressive for a job that doesn't require a degree or previous experience. You'll also get paid training, flexible hours, the ability to work from anywhere, and a path to grow within the company. Here's another quick tip. If you apply, don't just list your past jobs. Talk about your soft skills. Mention things like being organized, self-motivated, or a fast learner. These are exactly what remote employers are looking for. Let's go over a few bonus tips to help you get hired. 1. Keep your resume clean and simple. Stick to one page and list the skills that match what the job asks for. If you've volunteered, done school projects, or even helped with admin work somewhere, include that. 2. Write a quick intro paragraph in your application. Just 2 or 3 sentences showing that you're motivated, detail-oriented, and excited to work remotely can make a huge difference. 3. Apply fast. Jobs like these don't stay open for long. If you're watching this video and the application is still live, get in now before it's too late. And 4. Complete any assessments they send. Sometimes the hiring system will ask you to take a typing test, a short quiz, or even record a video. Don't skip it. It's part of the screening process, and skipping it can take you out of the running. So just to recap, Walmart is hiring right now for 2 beginner-friendly remote jobs, a remote data entry clerk and a part-time remote associate. Both roles are flexible, pay well, and don't require a degree or experience. This could be your first real step into remote work. You won't need to spend money on a course or build a portfolio. Just show up, follow instructions, and take the job seriously. Both application links are in the description below, so scroll down and click the one that fits you best. And if you want more real job leads like this every week, subscribe and turn on notifications. Episode 3 of our recent remote jobs series is dropping soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching Remote Hustle Europe. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.